Perfect. A little higher because I'm a little taller.
Okay.
Okay. This is my first video. Nancy here, and I'm with Luna.
Hi.
Tell us a little about yourself, Luna, like little fun facts. Your zodiac.
I'm a Scorpio, and I'm a makeup artist, and I'm a travel bug.
Okay. And what are we doing today?
Today we're taking some cool photos with some Polaroids and creating some imagination.
Yes. And this is the first time we're hanging out outside the club.
Yeah.
And we're just going to be doing just that. Right here we have the Sun 600 Polaroid.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the film we'll be using, Polaroid Originals Color Pack. This has a color border, and all it does is, well, we already showed you some example shots.
Mm-hmm.
We're just gonna have fun with it. How I got started in photography was actually analog Polaroid.
No way.
Yeah. So because of this, like cameras like this, I was able to get a better eye and then get more in love with photography as a whole. Then I went to digital and then film. And I love film the most. And I have my film camera here today because I am in a film class and I need some photos for my project.
Yep.
So to load the camera, you can be open or closed.
Mm-hmm.
There's a little lever here. When you spring it open, this is the other cartridge that we just shot. And then here's like a little tongue you can pull, and you'll see that it's empty. This is a little spring that puts every photo closer to being the next shot. And also under here is a battery. And I'm pretty sure these connect with the circuit, with the metal. That's why it's like that. Also, it's kind of why these cost a lot. There's the batteries. Put this in, close it, and then the cover comes off. So now it's ready to shoot. And we only have 8 shots, so we're gonna make this.
All right, let's do it.
Okay. Be right back. It's a beautiful day. It's probably like 80 degrees, 85 degrees out. Nice Ford. Beautiful. Look. That's a mood.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Luna has taken over the channel. It's no longer mine.
I'll be making frequent...
This is only my first video and she's already stolen it. Where are we going?
Yes.
I don't know, it's your channel.
Oh god.
No, we're going to the right.
The right? Okay.
The right, yes.
Look at that. So nice. Look at that. So nice.
I learned the hard way that when you're walking with the camera, never look through the camera and while walking in real life.
You learned the hard way, probably ran into something.
A couple things. A couple different times.
That would be me.
Oh, they got alligators. All right. Let's go this way.
Okay. Wow, this is such a pretty scene.
Oh, wow. I took a photo, one of my film photos here.
Really?
I actually have it on my phone.
So nice. That's just so pretty.
Yep. All right, I think this is spot number 1.
Okay.
Photo number 1.
It's like a rainbow.
Never shake your Polaroids. Don't do it.
Why don't we shake our Polaroid?
So if you shake a Polaroid, when you shake a Polaroid, it moves the chemicals around on the emulsion inside. The part on top is actually like plastic. Inside's the chemicals in like the pouch. And when I shake the photo, the emulsion is exposed to light, and the chemicals are squeezed through like toothpaste, like a toothpaste bottle, with rollers as it comes out the camera.
So you gotta give it a second to process to come.
Yes, and if you shake it, you move around those chemicals,
Good to know.
and it's not evenly spread out at that point. That's it.
Cool.
I love this camera angle.
So cute.
That's the squat. All right, yeah, this spot over here looks nice. Probably in
Further
the
down?
shade.
Okay.
Camera. Yes. Perfect. Yes. I was scared that it was too bright and I might be overexposing, but it's actually good.
Okay, cool.
I'm used to it.
I feel like my hair was a little crazy.
Like that one. Smart. Thinking outside the fence on that one. Okay. Let's see how we're gonna do this photo.
Oh, my pants. They got me doing this on video.
Yeah, there we go. I just didn't want that in the background. Yeah. Orange.
You can put it in my backpack if you want.
I'll just leave it like that for now.
Okay.
Just because you're not really supposed to touch them until they're like this, done developing.
Done.
Yeah. So you just gotta leave them out of the light because they're just a little still sensitive to lighting.
I'm trying to see if I get in the sun, if it looks good.
Okay. I think we got the two right there. Here's a pretty cool spot. Let me just.
Try to get back. Things we do for photos.
Honestly, you gotta get dirty sometimes.
So cute.
Alrighty. Camera angle.
Golden hour though. So now we are going to find another location to take more photos.
Yes.
Cool.
Got two left. 2 photos.
2 photos left.
And then we're gonna do digital, and if I find anything cool for the Hasselblad, the film camera, we'll do that as well.
Alright.
And I'll be developing black and white film on Thursday. So if this roll, I actually have to develop, so we need to take whatever photos remaining in there, and then I'll do it.
Let's do it.
And I could even load another roll, because you can do them together as long as they're the same type of film.
Okay.
I could develop them both in one go. So the amount of time it would take to develop one roll, might as well just do 2.
Sweet.
It's like washing clothes. Just put it all in one load. Did you know about the wading birds?
Honestly, they kind of freak me out. I don't know.
That might have been
maybe
on the
iguana?
camera. That might have actually been recording.
Watch it be an alligator.
Baby alligator. I mean, it kind of like cannonballed into the water.
It did. It literally just went boom. And
So
we were
I
just
was like, there's no monkeys.
no, not here.
I want a bench named after me.
You.
In loving memory of Nancy. That'd be nice.
Check out my YouTube channel.
There you go. Subscribe for more. At a bench. That's how, yeah, I'm gonna be like those ads you see at the bus stop.
Yeah, but you'd be like a cool bench.
Well,
have
but
to
like a
pay
bench,
for
like
the-
a city bench.
Oh yeah, probably that'd be cheaper. Ooh.